Same with Twitter or X. The way to grow on this kind of platform is just to build rapport. How do you build rapport? For example, on this thread right here, if you want to build your accounts, how to impress people, how to make them follow you, you have to comment something, do some insightful comment, something like this. I think it's true. I feel the same way too. Something like that. Be sure to like it and go on the next thread. You can also quite agree, say I also agree with you fully, something like that. Impress people with your words. Give them your best efforts on commenting, although that you're not that very interested. And don't forget to post something on your profile, do your bio, pretend that you're someone else, or if you're already someone, then that will make it easier. And that is how you can grow, maybe make money, get verified, get followers on thread. Or you can also post something like this.